Hi everyone, 12 News meteorologist Steven Matrograno here with a Weather Now update for you. We are in a weather alert for the rest of Friday for some rain and snow showers that will be developing, and we could be seeing a period of some steadier snow during the later part of the day, afternoon, evening hours. Right around sunset and then points after. That could cause a few slick spots on the roadways later on, so you want to be mindful of that, especially north of the city of Providence and away from the South Shore. So let's jump into it. Winter weather advisory issued for Providence County, northern Bristol County, and of course up towards Boston as well, and Worcester County. That's where we think we'll be seeing, slick spots and some, minor accumulations of snow when all is said and done early Saturday morning. So, again, favoring northern interior areas, as we've been saying. Now, live radar, there's been some activity actually moving in from the east with that east-northeast wind, and it's bringing in some rain and snow showers across our area. So if you're heading on out, just be mindful of that. Shouldn't really cause too many issues on the roadways. It looks fairly light, but, again, keep it in mind. Again, we'll be seeing some precip develop as we go through the rest of today, and it'll be coming more steadier at times during the afternoon, evening. So here's a wide view of that radar and the satellite. You can see precipitation filling on in down to the south and west of us, off of the Jersey Shore, Long Island, Connecticut, New Jersey, and, of course, New York. So we're looking for this to kind of, graze the area, if you will, and bring us a period of some of that, wintry weather. So temperatures, certainly cold enough in spots for some snow. You can see where there's the colder air in place, Providence above freezing, but very close to the freezing mark. And then points north and west are below freezing across Providence County and into parts of Massachusetts as well. So that's what we're thinking. We could be seeing some slick spots. Again, it looks to be, more of a rain-snow mix to start across the southern half of our area because of the temperatures being just above freezing. So here's Newport, clouds in place. Again, a couple of rain showers, maybe even a couple flurries passing through. Same deal here at our East Providence camera. You can see the raindrops or snowflakes on the lens there. Temperatures, like I said, there in Providence and East Providence in the middle 30s. So for this afternoon, rain and snow showers continue to move on through, and then we'll be looking at a transition to some plain snow. Once it gets colder later on during the evening hours, we could be seeing a steadier period of snow. Again, that could, give us some minor accumulations across interior sections. So for tonight, that snow does continue at times. It should wrap up around, I'd say, about 9, 10 o'clock, and then I think we'll see a lull in the activity. Perhaps another flurry or so as we go into the early morning hours on Saturday. But again, looking for some slick roads to be possible as well. Let's time it out for you. You can go forward here. Here's 2 p.m., seeing the rain and snow around. And there's that period of snow that we're looking at. It takes over about 4 or 5 o'clock. When that sun goes down, you can see the temperatures will be dropping around this time as well. So that's what we think it'll change over to plain snow. And then it continues during the dinner time frame into the early evening hours. And then it should wrap up, like I said, around 9, 10 o'clock. And then just some leftover flurries east of Providence later on during the overnight hours. Maybe another flurry passing through. Otherwise, drier and windy and turning much colder and blustery for Saturday, looking at those northwest winds taking over. And that'll be the theme really for much of the weekend. Very cold weekend, by the way, coming our way. So here's the snowfall forecast, what we're looking at for the rest of today, 1 to 3 inches in the blue area. That's really, northern Providence County, northern Bristol County, where that winter weather advisory is. A coating to about an inch or so across the central parts of our area. So that's Kent County, southern Providence County, central Bristol County, and then little to nothing probably along the coastline, just because it's going to be just too warm to see accumulations there. So again, not a major system, but certainly the timing of it's kind of more impactful, being around the PM commute on a very busy weekend ahead of the holidays. So that's why we just have a weather alert going for this. So thanks for tuning in. We're on from noontime, and then we'll be on again 4, 5, and 6 later on this evening. So we'll see you then. Take care.